Okay, just cutting it back for a template, finishing it off.
Too much hemp.
Bit soft.
No, got too much hemp.
Ah, too much hemp there. Cut it back into it. Give the back of the cornice a bit of shape. Make sure it sits on the wall and the ceiling right too, there's no bumps in it. The hemp dragging out. Cut the high bits off and pull up the low bits. And clean the mould up a little bit, the template. Final touches, Joe.
Huh?
The final touches.
Yeah.
Smooth it off with a sponge. And, come out quite good for the back of the cornice. And it'll pull off like a Victorian cornice, which will look maybe something like that, or that one there, Victorian gutter mould. And back to Joe. And what's a gutter in the cornice called in the Victorian cornice, Joe? The maid's dilemma?
This one?
No, the gutter. What did the maids call it? I thought it was something about dusting. It used to catch all the dust. Dust catcher, the gutter in the Victorian cornice. Was there a name for it? Okay. Very good. Well, that's about it, isn't it, Joe? Right.
Too much hemp in it.
Right, a little bit too much hemp, but that's pretty well made now. Just a final bit of cutting back the excess off the mould. It's about done. Another little mould there. Just while we're waiting for the cornice to set. Joe. No wastage here.
I haven't finished it.
There's more to go. Another one. Are you going to make it?
Oh, I'll scrape it out of the other ones.
The silicone mould, see? Plaster cast backing. That's got it, isn't it, Joe?
Yeah.
It's scraping the bottom of a barrel, Joe.
It still did it.
Yeah, you got there. And the back up, bottom of the mould up a bit.
That's a 6-inch Christmas tree.
Alright, that's a Christmas tree.
This one's a miniature Christmas tree.
A miniature?
Yes, it's only about 3-4 inches.
Okay. Just about to lift this mould off that Joe just made before a crowbar, and it's coming up.
I'll get round that side.
Okay. Oh, making a few creaks. Seems to be pulling off well. Lifting off now. Well done, Joe. That's a nice.
Come right away without taking the piece
Oh,
off.
my goodness, how to do that? We didn't need the piece mould
Oh, I think we
after
did.
all that. That's funny.
I think
we-
we did.
Yeah, Joe thought he needed to make a piece mould because it's so tight a bit. A gutter on that, but it doesn't look like it was necessary.
I think this gave way.
Oh, I might have given way a little bit then. But there's slightly where it's given away. A piece mould, but hasn't come right away. It's a good length of corners, Joe.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
That's it. Get a bit of a shellac off it. That mould's got shellac and been waxed up. And that's the piece mould section that could have come away if necessary to get it out of a mould. Pulled off well. Yep, coming out, yep. I'm just pulling this mould out. A nice little corbel. Very good. Is that dry enough or still wet too? I'll get that cornice actually. There's the cornice ready to dry. It's on there. That'll take a couple of days maybe. Christmas tree that pulled out of that mould. That one there. That's about it.